Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. I'm just popping in with this quick little video to just say it's always something. You see this? This is my laptop that all my videos are on and that I do my editing on. I don't back up any videos until they're complete. So, anyhow, as you can see, it is in pieces. Apparently, this little goober here went bad. And shut the computer down because it was overheating. I'm hoping it didn't damage anything other than the fact that, because I got a warning window that come up that said, you know, it was shutting down because of fan error. I have ordered one, so it is hopefully on the way, and hopefully that will fix this. Otherwise, I have to try and get inside this locked hard drive through another computer, which I don't know if I'm going to do because that is where my unboxing videos are. So, I have used my old computer real quick to just do a little quick editing video that took 10,000 years on to do this. So, I just wanted to let you know as soon as I can get the info either off of that drive and either fix this one or get another laptop that's capable of doing video editing within a reasonable amount of time. That's why this is up instead of the unboxing video. But anyway, so I got plenty of junk over here to fiddle with. I don't want to do too many recordings and put it on that other one because it just takes too long. I mean, it takes almost all night for a small video to render. So anyhow, guys, I just wanted to keep you up to date. I know everybody was expecting that unboxing video, but it's just going to have to wait because it's in there. It's in Broken Land right now. Alright, guys, everybody take care. Hopefully this part will get in here by the end of the week and I can get this thing back up and running and get that video edited and posted. So, take care, and we will see you in the next video.